Where have all my animals gone? Let's find them. Look, we have 3 Gumball's machines. There's so many Gumball's inside.
Ooh la la.
Is there anything else there? No. How about the blue one?
Uh-oh.
Hello.
I think I see something. What's it? Let's take a closer look. Wow, it's a puzzle piece. It's a chicken.
Hello. Woohoo!
Where should we put our chicken? How about the head tag? I think our chicken will be comfortable there.
Yay!
Look at that! It's a pirate ship. It's amazing. There's a pirate,
Hello.
a blue octopus, a green steering wheel. Look, it's a boat.
Uh-oh.
What a funny pirate.
Hello.
There's also a green cannon here. And what's it? There's something yellow. Let's see. Look, it's a cute yellow duck. Where should we put our duck? How about the lake? Yeah, that's right.
Yay!
Look, what a wonderful donut shop. There are donuts, lollipops, candies, and look, there's a cake. Let's take a closer look. There's amazing strawberry cake.
Ooh la la.
Lovely. Oh, look, there are more sweets for our shop. Let's unload the cart. I think we found our next puzzle piece. It's a beautiful cow.
La la la.
Where should we put the cow? Ah, it's here.
Yay!
Look, it's a piggy bank and a blue hammer. Hello, piggy.
Hello.
This piggy bank is full of coins. How about breaking it with a hammer?
Uh-oh.
Look, what's it? Hooray! We found our next puzzle piece. It's a pink pig. Where should we put it? Of course! Let's put our pig by the barn.
Yay!
Look, there are 4 colorful hippos here. Hello, you.
Hello.
Look, there's a bunch of dumbbells inside. How about the orange one? Look, there's a lot of colorful rings. How about the purple hippo? Wow, look, we found our next puzzle piece. It's a white sheep.
La la la.
Where's your favorite place, Mrs. Sheep? It's right here.
Yay!
Look at that! There are 4 garages with colorful small cars. Let's press these buttons. First the orange button, the green one, the pink button, and finally the blue one. Look, we found the next puzzle piece. It's a brown horse. Do you see a shape that looks like a horse? It's here.
Yay!
Look, we have shark family cups. It's orange grandma shark.
Hello.
Wow, look! It's a lot of shiny gems. It's so beautiful. How about yellow baby shark?
Woohoo!
Look, it's a bunch of gumballs. It's Green Grandpa Shark. Oh, look, we found the next puzzle piece. It's a dog. Who is a good little boy? Of course you are. Where should we put our dog? Let's put it right here.
Yay!
Look at this amazing animal puzzle. Thank you for watching. Where have all my animals gone? Let's find them. Wow, look at this bucket full of gems. They're amazing.
Ooh la la.
I'm rich now. Look, we found our first animal. It's a green crocodile. Let's go home to the puzzle. Which place do you like? Of course, you want to go to the lake. Look at that. We are in a fairy tale. There are prince and princess. Hello, guys.
Hello.
Look, I see someone in the castle. Let's open the doors. Wow, it's my blue elephant.
La la la.
Do you see a shape that looks like an elephant?
Uh-oh.
Not here. No. Oh, it's here.
Yay!
Wow, it's a bunch of colorful fruits. There's strawberry, a star fruit, and a giant pineapple. I see someone inside.
Hello.
Who's there? Let's take a look. There's someone white with black stripes. What kind of animal is there? What do you think? Open. Look, it's a zebra.
Yahoo!
Where should we put our zebra? Do you see a good place? I see.
Yay!
It's a hedgehog family. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 hedgehogs here. What's on their backs? Let's take a look. There are only gumballs here. Okay, how about the pink hedgehog? Nothing. Oh, I see someone. Wow, look, it's an orange lion.
Uh-oh.
Do you see a shape that looks like a lion? No? Oh, it's here. Wow, look at this playground. There's a slide, a bicycle,
Na 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 na.
a swing, and a Ferris wheel. Do you hear it? Oh, it's a food truck. Look at this tasty menu.
Ooh la la.
Hello, Zoe Zebra.
Hello.
What's in the pan? Let's see.
Uh-oh.
Open. What's it? Whoa, look at that. It's my giraffe. Which place do you like, Mr. Giraffe? Of course. It's a place next to the tree. Look, it's a house with a yellow door and a bunch of keys. Which shall we use? Right, we need a blue key in a square shape. Look, there's someone inside.
Hello.
Let's find the key. It's here. Look, it's my purple hippo.
Ooh la la.
Where should we put our hippo? Let's put it here. Wow, look at that! There are colorful cups and a lot of toys. Let's see. Wow, it's an orange fox. Which cup will the fox choose? It's an orange cup. Great! Next, it's a purple dog. Which cup will you choose, Dog? The purple cup. Well done. Now we have a beautiful red fox.
Hello.
What a gorgeous scarf she has. Which cup will you choose? The red cup. Great. Who's next? Look, it's Hello Kitty in a blue raincoat.
Uh-oh.
The blue cup. Great job. Look, it's a cute green dinosaur.
Uh-oh.
Which cup do you like, Dino? The green cup. Great. Look, it's Hello Kitty in a pink robe.
La la la.
Where should we put her?
Na 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 na.
In the pink cup. Right. What's next? It's a yellow turtle. It looks like jelly.
Na 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 na.
Let's put it here. Well done. How about this one? Look, it's a light blue forklift.
Hello.
Hello, Guido. Which cup are you going to?
Na 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 na.
The light blue cup. Well done. Look, it's a brown gorilla. But I don't have a brown cup. Look, it's our puzzle piece.
Uh-oh.
How about put it here?
Yay!
Look, we found all my animals. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.